algebra students, we're back and we are getting ready to do example, I think that should be example 4. It says 5, but it should be example 4. And we're in section 6.6, and we are going to apply our knowledge about multiplying binomials together. So I think you're going to hopefully really get this and be able to see how to do this. What we have here is a square koi pond that's surrounded by a gravel path. And we're supposed to write an expression that expresses or represents the area of the path only. So this is our pond right here, okay? We don't want to count that area as part of the area of the gravel path. So what we need to do is we need to find the area of the whole thing. And that includes the pond, okay? So the area of the whole thing is going to be from here to here, and because it's a square, it's going to be x plus 2 times x plus 2. That's going to give us the area of the whole thing. Now you can write it out expanded and FOIL it, or you can write it out this way and do our shortcut to find your trinomial that represents the area of the whole thing, the path and the pond all together, okay? So I'm going to do the shortcut. Let's do the first term. We'll square that, x squared. Multiply x times 2, 2x, double that, that's 4x, and then square that second number, 2 squared is 4. So there's the area of the whole thing. This is the path and the pond area all together. Well, when you only want the path, the gravel path, we need to deduct out of there. We need to take away the area of the pond, okay? So this is path and pond area. And what we need to do is find the area of the pond and deduct that out of there. And what that'll do is it'll leave us with just the path, okay? So that's our goal, is we're going to subtract from it the pond area. Now they gave us some data about it. They said, well, the pond's a square, so we know that all sides are x minus 2. So we're going to multiply length times width, so that's x minus 2 times x minus 2, or you could write it as x minus 2 squared, and you could do your shortcut or FOIL it out, however you want to do it, and that's going to end up being x squared minus 4x plus 4, okay? And we want to deduct this pond area from the path and pond area. And whatever's left over is going to be the area of the path only, okay? This is going to be path only, okay? So 1x squared minus 1x squared, they just cancel. 4 minus a negative 4, that's 4 plus 4, which is 8x. And then we've got 4 minus 4, which that cancels out to be 0. So the area of the path is 8x. That's the area of the path, okay? So now what I want you to do, I'm going to leave this one down here as extra credit. You're going to write an expression that represents the area of the swimming pool at the right here. The whole thing is the swimming pool. So my advice is to find the area of this piece and add it to the area of this piece and put it all together, and you'll have the area of the whole thing. So that would be my advice to get that going. Okay? So good luck with that. Bring your questions to class tomorrow.